Welcome to Personal Finance Power, where we help you take control of your financial future at any age. Want to set yourself up for wealth and freedom before you hit 30? In this video, we'll dive into the essential steps and strategies to change your financial trajectory early. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more actionable tips to secure your future and build lasting wealth. 1. Start saving early and automate your savings. One of the most impactful steps you can take to change your financial future before your 30s is to start saving as early as possible. Even if you're only able to save a small portion of your income, consistency is key. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account or investment fund so that you don't have to think about it. 2. Build and maintain an emergency fund. An emergency fund is crucial for financial stability and security. By setting aside 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a liquid, easily accessible account, you prepare yourself for unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Without an emergency fund, you risk using high-interest credit cards or loans, which can create unnecessary debt. 3. Avoid bad debt and pay off high-interest debt. To change your financial future, it's critical to avoid bad debt and focus on paying off any existing high-interest debt. Debt from credit cards, payday loans, and other high-interest loans can quickly spiral out of control and prevent you from building wealth. Paying off credit card debt should be a priority, as the interest rates on these debts can be as high as 20% or more. 4. Invest in your financial education. Your 20s are the perfect time to invest in your financial education. Understanding how money works, how investments grow, and how to manage your personal finances will give you the tools to make informed decisions throughout your life. There are countless resources available, from books and blogs to podcasts and online courses designed to help you improve your financial literacy. 5. Start investing in assets, not liabilities. To truly change your financial future, you need to understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets are investments or things that put money into your pocket, while liabilities take money out of your pocket. In your 20s, focus on acquiring assets that will appreciate over time or generate passive income, rather than spending money on things that depreciate in value. 6. Create and stick to a budget. Creating a budget is one of the most effective ways to take control of your finances. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, making sure you're spending wisely and saving enough for your financial goals. In your 20s, it's easy to overlook budgeting because of the many distractions that come with early adulthood, but it's a powerful tool that will guide you toward financial independence. 7. Build your credit and avoid credit mistake. Your credit score plays a major role in your financial future. A high credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest on loans, mortgages, and car financing. Start building your credit early by paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding unnecessary loans. If you already have credit card debt, focus on paying it down and not missing any payments. 8. Develop a long-term investment plan. Investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other assets is crucial to growing your wealth. Start small, but be consistent in your investments. Set long-term financial goals, like contributing to retirement accounts, building a diversified investment portfolio, or buying real estate. The earlier you begin, the more your money will grow through the power of compound interest. 9. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Your financial journey will be easier if you surround yourself with people who have similar goals and values. Join networks or communities that promote financial literacy, entrepreneurship, and wealth building. Being around motivated and financially savvy individuals can provide inspiration, knowledge, and accountability. Look for mentors who can guide you and share their experience. 10. Set clear financial goals and track your progress. To change your financial future, it's important to set clear and actionable financial goals. Whether it's saving a specific amount, paying off debt, or building a retirement fund, having measurable goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Break your goals down into smaller, manageable steps and set a timeline for achieving them. It's never too early to start changing your financial future. Which strategy are you going to implement first? Let me know in the comments. And if this video gave you the motivation to start now, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial independence. The power to change your future is in your hands.